guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be rendering tallow, and we start by cutting it into small pieces. So you rest it in the crock pot. As you can see, I had another chunk that was already cut and it was in the freezer. So I just have to work it so it fits in my crock pot. Make sure you add enough water in the crock pot so the fat doesn't burn at the bottom. I didn't realize I had a lot of fat, and my crock pot is not as big as I thought it is, but we'll see what happens. So don't make the water like right there at the top, just in case it spills over when it starts boiling. Yeah, so I'll try to break down this fat. So I'm gonna add some salt, and I'm just gonna eyeball. Just add enough, not too little and not too much. This helps out in removing the impurities, and the good thing is it doesn't remain in the fat, but it goes in the water that you throw out after the tallow is rendered. So as you can see, I have a kilo of fat there. Yeah, I have a kilo of fat there that I'll need to, yeah, even my cover can't go down properly, so I just have to break it down a little bit and it will cover. Yeah, I'm getting there. Look at that. Just break it down, and yes, there we go. My cover has fit so nicely. Then our heat setting to low, and we are good to go.
A few hours later.
Wow, the fat has already started dissolving, as you can see on the top. Yeah, looks oily. The crock pot was on throughout the night. The next day, bright and early, around 4 a.m. Look at that. Look at that. That's when you know it's ready. So we switch off the crock pot, and it's time to harvest that lovely tallow. So I have my lovely bowl here. I prefer this one because it's easy to pop out that tallow when it's hard. And I need a strainer and my favorite straining cloth. I got this from a salted ham that we bought over the Christmas, and it works perfectly. I use it so many times, and it's easy to also wash. So let's get started. Oh my goodness, look at this lovely, lovely tallow. This is the leftover. And you can either put it in the freezer for it to be had fast, or I left it on the top, and within a few hours later, look at this lovely hard tallow now, rendered tallow. It's beautiful, and it has popped out just real easily. And this is the dirty water to throw out. This is my lovely rendered tallow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye.